supporting factors are found only on Earth, which are water and air. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is also Earth is known as blue planet because of the presence of water. Earth rotates around its axis and it revolves around the sun. It takes about 1 day 24 hours to rotate, and it takes 365 days or 1 year to revolve around the sun.
Very good. Earth is called unique planet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, dear. What we learned about the moon? Ismail, what we learned about the moon?
Moon does not have its own heat. Moon is a natural satellite.
Yes. Natural satellite.
Moon does not water. Moon needs 20 days for revolution and rotation. Moon does not have favorable condition to support life.
Okay. Then moon has plains, right? Moon has plains and mountains. And when we observe the full moon, we can see some shadows, right? Actually, what are the shadows? It's the plains, mountains, and all, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Let
ma'am.
you mute your audio and listen. Okay. Today we are going to learn about asteroids and meteoroids. When we discuss solar system, we learn solar system means the sun, planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form together solar system. Solar system.
Ma'am, can you say once more? I didn't hear.
When we discuss about solar system, we learn the stars, the sun, planets, 8 planets, satellites, and other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids forms solar system, right? Yes. Then we learn the sun, the air.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm stuck.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Mic testing, mic testing.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Starting. Okay. Welcome back. We are talking about two celestial bodies, asteroids and meteoroids. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You are not
here,
ma'am.
Asteroids and meteorites.
Ma'am, we cannot hear.
Smriti, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Check your audio. Dear, check your audio.
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
Let us see what is asteroid.
Ma'am, I cannot hear, Francis.
Francis, check your audio. Many children
Ma'am, I
can listen.
audio is on, ma'am, no problem. But your sound is low.
What is asteroids? Apart from the stars, you know, stars are there. We learned about the stars, planets, satellites, right? The moon, right? We learned about
Yes,
all
ma'am.
this.
Yes, ma'am.
Stars, planets,
Yes, ma'am.
satellite, moon, right? Apart from this, there are some celestial bodies, right? Like some numerous or small tiny bodies or some small rocky objects are there. Some small rocky objects are there that move around the sun in a fixed path. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And we learned about stars, planet and satellite, moon, right? Apart from this, there are some small rocky objects that move around the sun in a fixed path. These small rocky objects are called asteroids. Clear?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
small rocky objects are called asteroids. Clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The same like planet, these asteroids are revolving around the sun, right? In a fixed path. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Where we can see these asteroids. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what are asteroids? Asteroids are numerous tiny bodies, or you can say small rocky objects. Asteroids are small rocky objects. Objects that move around the sun in a fixed path, right? And these asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Devika, can you explain what are asteroids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, numerous tiny bodies
Yes.
which
Or
is
you can say
found.
small rocky objects. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Which is found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter.
But
Are
is
called
they are found between the
between
orbits of Mars
Mars
and
and
between the orbit
Jupiter.
of Mars and Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Asteroids is clear.
Ma'am, can you
Is it
repeat?
clear,
Yes,
dear
ma'am.
children? What are asteroids?
Ma'am, can you repeat one?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you repeat it again?
Asteroids are clear. Then asteroids are small rocky objects move around the sun. Or you can say there are numerous tiny bodies move around the sun. Small, or you can say small rocky objects move around the sun. These rocky objects are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll show you one video. Then you will understand what is asteroids. I think it will be working here. Let us see. Malavika, tell me, what are asteroids?
Asteroids are small rocky objects that move around the sun.
Small rocky objects that move around the sun. Very good. Dear children, sometimes you cannot hear the sound of video, and you should tell me. Okay, sometimes it won't work properly in this. Okay, anyway, watch this video. Hello, dear children. Just understand. I hope you understood what are asteroids, right? It's small rocky objects that move around the sun in a path, right? That path is known as asteroid belt. Actually, these are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Okay. In detail, you will study in higher classes about all the celestial bodies. This is enough for you on 6th standard. The next celestial body is meteoroids. What it is?
Meteorites.
Then what are meteoroids? Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Small pieces of rock, small rock pieces that which move around the sun. Small rock pieces which move around the sun. This also found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Actually, these meteoroids are small rock pieces that separated from asteroids. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Meteoroids are small rock pieces. It actually separated from asteroids. Then meteorites are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. Then these are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then sometimes these meteorites have a tendency to come near to the earth. It comes near to the earth and tend to drop upon it sometimes. Okay. Then when they come close to earth, molecules around the meteorites rub against it and it heated up and burn. Due to some activities or friction with air, these meteorites get heated up and burn. Right? Then it causes flash of light. Is it clear? This meteorites, small rock pieces, sometimes they come near to the earth. Right? Due to some friction due to friction with air or due to some action, they get heated and burn. They get heated up and burn. It causes flash of light. This is called meteors. This is called meteors. M-E-T-O-R-S. Meteors. M-E-T-O-R-S. Meteors. Sometimes these meteors, without completely burn, fall on the surface of the earth and create big holes. Sometimes these meteors, without completely burn, fall on the earth and create big holes. These are called meteorites. M-E-T-E-O-R-I-T-E-S. M-E-T-E-O-R-I-T-E-S. So, meteoroids are there, meteors are there, meteorites are there. Are you confused with these three words?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Show you one video.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot hear.
We cannot hear.
Ma'am, we can't hear.
Ma'am, we can't
Ma'am, we
hear.
can't hear.
Ma'am, we can't hear.
Yes, yes. Sometimes you can't hear.
It's moving like a
Yes,
stop.
just listen it. You will understand. Just see the video. Look at those three pictures. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first term we explained? Meteoroids, right? Meteoroid. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is meteoroid?
Ma'am, meteorite means because of some problem, like, they burn suddenly and go to Earth.
It's a small rocky pieces, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Small
ma'am.
rocky
Yes, ma'am.
pieces. Sometimes they come close to the earth, right? Due to friction with air, what happened to this? They get heated up and burn,
And burn.
right? That is, this is the picture of meteoroid, right? This burnt meteorites enter the surface of the earth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called meteor.
Meteor.
Then sometimes without burning, without completely burn, the meteors fall on the surface of the earth. Right? This is called meteorite.
Ma'am,
Clear?
ma'am,
Understand
meteor, I didn't
what is it,
understand, ma'am.
because these words are not there in the textbook. You have to study about meteoroid, first one.
Meteor.
For understanding, I show you this video. Just understand other two words connected with meteoroid.
Meteorite.
I will explain it again. Listen. First one, meteorites, right? Meteorites are small pieces of rocks which revolve around the sun. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Clear? Between the Mars and Jupiter, like asteroids. Asteroids also found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter.
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 Then, sometimes these meteoroids come near to the Earth and tend to drop upon it. Sometimes. Okay. Then when it comes near to the Earth, due to friction with air or when the molecules around the meteorites rub against, they get heated up and burn.
Ma'am, you are not clear.
They get heated up and burn.
Burn.
This causes flash of light. That is the second one. Meteors. When you look at the picture, you can see a light, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, this one is called shooting star.
Meteor.
Meteors are called shooting
Meteor.
stars.
Shooting
Meteor.
stars.
Meteors are called shooting stars. Then, without completely burn, this meteor fall on the surface of the earth and create big holes on the earth. Right? This is called meteorite.
Meteorite.
Sorry, I'll send you notes. Okay? In your textbook, only one word is there. Meteoroids are there. You have to learn it. Other two, I'll send you notes. Just understand what are they in connection with meteoroids. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have to study what is universe. What is universe?
Universe.
What is universe?
Ma'am, universe means sun, planets, stars, asteroids,
Yeah, it's a large unit, right, in which we live. It's a large unit in which we live. It's a collection of millions of galaxies, I'll tell you with the help of one picture better. Galaxy. We are talking about universe, right? Universe is the largest unit in which we live. Universe is a collection of millions of galaxies.
Galaxies.
Galaxies. This is the universe. There is only one universe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Universe. Okay. It's a collection of millions of galaxies. The collection of universe is a collection of millions of
Galaxies.
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 Of galaxies are there. right? Actually, we don't know more about all these galaxies. Scientists are studying about, still they are studying about or trying to find out more information about it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is universe. It's a large unit in which we live. It's a collection of millions
Millions of
of
galaxies.
Galaxies.
unit. Collection of millions of galaxies. Of galaxies. Of millions of galaxies.
Galaxies.
This is where we live. This is Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy.
Galaxy.
Solar system. This is Milky Way. One galaxy is known as Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is part of this Milky Way galaxy in which we live. Right? Our solar system is part of this Milky Way galaxy. So this is a universe. There is only one universe, but universe is a collection of millions of galaxies. Right? What is galaxy? Stars, clouds, dust, gases, everything is it. Right? Solar system.
Galaxies.
Galaxy. Galaxy is collection of millions of stars, gases, dust.
Stars,
Everything is
planets.
it. Clouds. Everything is it. Right? It means it's a part of Milky Way galaxy.
Stars.
Our solar system
Stars
is a part
and
of
clouds
Milky
and
Way
dust.
galaxy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a
Milky Way
galaxy.
galaxy.
Solar system is part of this Milky. Next we learn universe.
Universe.
Universe
Universe is a collection
It's a collection of galaxies.
Galaxies.
of millions of.
Galaxies.
Galaxies.
One galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Solar
Galaxy.
system is part of Milky Way.
Milky Way galaxy.
Dear children, it's a time to wind up the class. I hope you understood, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'll send you notes. Go through it.
Thank you, ma'am.
dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.